What is social media? Will social media plays an important role in learning English language? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am Varshita in front of you. I am going to talk about and introduce about the topic that is role of social media in learning English language. Social media is a place and platform where people interact with each other to convey their feelings and emotions and also thoughts. It is used by the people around the world and it also plays an important role in learning English language. So, like for example, when two people are having conversation between each other, the conversation will be like the Telugu words will be translated into English language. The problem may be he couldn't make a sentence in a complete sense, and to eradicate this kind of problem, one has to learn English. So, in this generation, the learners are very self-motivated. They use many technological learning apps, like for example, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook with the applications, and also by technological gadgets like for example we can take anything like mobile phones, smartphones, etc. So my friend Vaishnavi will explain about the Instagram and also how it is helpful to learn English. Thank you.
Myself Vaishnavi, I am here to introduce how Instagram app is used for learning. Nowadays, everyone are accessing the Instagram. We can easily contact with the foreigners who speaks only English, which develops us in spoken English. Instagram have most follower Instagram pages regarding English, like English in general, English speaks, vocabulary English, so on. Instagram have many pages. Which helps us in increasing grammar, not only develops the grammar but also literature. Nowadays everyone are using Instagram to make reels for fun. So these are the ways that we can easily learn English as much better. Thank you. And my friend Shravani is going to introduce how Facebook is using for learning English.
Myself Shravani. Today I am going to explaining about Facebook. Facebook is a widely used social media among the mass, categorized groups and personal pages. Facebook is a readily and available platform for the learners. Learners can also use Facebook by creating their own groups, and they can also invite fellow learners who learning English from their school or classroom and use group to post questions and get answers quickly. This is a perfect place to learn English for everyone. There are some pages to learn English like Learn English, Practicing This Every Day, and Grammar Girl. This is an ideal place to share useful articles and the useful memorable words for the others. By that others can benefit from them too. Thank you. My friend Anusha will explain how to learn English from YouTube. Thank you.
Myself Anusha, here I am going to explain about how to learn English from YouTube videos. See, nowadays everyone using YouTube videos. We have many benefits in learning English from YouTube videos. YouTube is one of the best way to communicate with the people who speaks English only, which improves vocabulary, grammar and spoken English also. See, in YouTube we have many channels like BBC, Speak English Speak English with Mr. Duncan, and also learn English from YouTube videos. These are the useful channels for English learners. We have many channels like this. If you use YouTube for learning English, you will soon notice the difference in your ability to speak English. Thank you. My friend Alex will conclude the topic.
So guys, based on what my friend said, I would like to say that English language is the major and important language throughout the world. As we know, without this English, it's like very hard to communicate. For example, even if you want to communicate in Telugu or Hindi, you translate the word of Telugu or Hindi into an English so that the other person understands. So based on what they said, I would like to conclude that it is very easy and very helpful to learn. Thank you.
Done.